Mari kanitha-ini wa AIPCA mwena wa Thika, atongoria ni monanitie itemi riao hari kugacirithia thayu thutha wa maumirira ma githurano kurekererio, kuria moritie ateti mahuthire njira iria ciagiriire hari kuruta mateta mao megie maumirira macio matekugayukania muingi.
Ti wega kumiria andu mabarabara-ini na mawira-ini ma andu, ni kwagiriire aria marenda kihoto kiao kionanio mathie na magere njira iria igeragirwo hindi iria mundu ekwenda kihoto giake kionekane.
Kuria akenya mathie na mbere na kuruta wira bururi-ini, andu a biashara ni turegete horo wa maandamano.
Nakio gikundi kia Mkenya daima nikihinyiriirie ateti maige thayu na gwithema na nguui iria ingihotomia uthii wa nambere undu umwe na uruti wa mawira. Dr. Hannington Gaya ni umwe wa ameba a gikundi giki.
If there are any grievances, we should have this one sorted out through the court processes. The Supreme Court is ready to handle this, and the Chief Justice has already confirmed this. So business should go back as usual. Kenyans should seek their rights and go and be allowed to go to their employment. The government has already promised security for protecting lives as well as property as people go about their normal businesses.
Litana riri ria thayu riukite ihinda inini thutha wa mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya NASA Raila Odinga kuria muingi ndukaroke mawira-ini, no muingi waga gwathikira litana riri. Thutha wa kambeni guthira na maundu kuhorera, Akenya no mathiite na mbere na gucokereria mawira-ini mao niguo guthii na mbere na gutema itemi ria waki wa bururi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, nijitagwo Maina wa Mwangi.